Hello. So I'll show you how to use TraToLi B2B platform to easily customize and personalize your itineraries in real time. So before that, I'll be logging into my B2B account just by clicking on login, and I'll be entering my demo credentials. You can enter your registered username, that is your email address or phone number in this field, and your password here, and just click on login. So wonderful. This is successfully signed in. So I'll show you what is in the home page of TraToLi.com. Here you can search any destination, whatever your customer wants. I'll search for Dubai, I have searched for Singapore, etc. Everything. So TraToLi.com is really good for New Zealand, Australia, Europe, Far East and Middle East. You can see the top trending destinations where the travel agents, 2000 plus travel agents of TraToLi.com are customizing this particular season. So for Dubai, Singapore, Seychelles, the travel agents are customizing on TraToLi.com. Now, for example, I'll be showing you how to customize a Dubai package. So just click on Dubai, and there are many packages which TraToLi.com offers you. There are many packages which TraToLi.com offers you, uh, as many number of travel agents are selling 3 night packages, 2 night Dubai, 1 night Abu Dhabi packages. So these are the top selling packages. You can also customize these top selling packages just by clicking any package whatever you want. Suppose I'll be clicking Delightful Dubai, which is 3 night package. I'll be selecting it, and you can see there is a window up here where it is partitioned into two windows. One is the map view and the second one is the customization tools. You can see I have only Dubai city now. I can change, I can add number of cities whatever I want. I can add UAE, like I can add Abu Dhabi or Lapita or Atlantis. Suppose I'll be adding Abu Dhabi for, suppose my client wants Dubai plus Abu Dhabi. So I can increase number of nights for Abu Dhabi also. I can increase from 1 night to 3 nights, any number of nights my customer needs. I can also just click on split stay, where suppose my client wants to stay in two different hotels in Abu Dhabi. I can do this by this option. You can also remove the locations you have added. You can also swap the locations. Suppose my client wants Abu Dhabi first and Dubai later on. I can do this easily by dragging this up to this one. So now Abu Dhabi is first and Dubai is next. So I can also change the airport from which my client wants to travel, from the Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, any number, any airports. I can also skip flights if my customer don't want flights and he just want land package and hotels. I can do this by just clicking on this option. Suppose I want flights, I can again uncheck this option so that you can see Mumbai. You can change the airport. You can also change here the date by clicking on the calendar and click. Suppose my customer wants to travel on 28th of March. I'll be clicking 28th of March. So this way you can also change the hotel type category. That is 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. You can increase number of adults, increase number of childs, etc. Everything. You can change between private transfer and sharing. I'll make sure that it is private for now, and I'll click on plan now. So what we do is we get all the best prices for flights, hotels, transfers, sightseeing and meals from 50 plus suppliers of TraToLi.com. So now we can see that the transfers are already loaded. It's quite quick. So we can see that there is airport transfer, airport to Abu Dhabi hotel, Abu Dhabi to Dubai hotel, and Dubai to airport. So everything is, the transfers is, everything is there, and you can see the activities also. You can easily remove activities. You can easily add activities just by clicking. You can see the, okay, in this time slot I guess, okay, wonderful. From 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock there is only one activity listed. That is good. The good thing about TraToLi is every activity is planned timeline manner. So it is not haphazardly distributed. So you are very confident and your client is very confident about the every day whatever he does minute to minute. You can also change the transfer type of any activities. Suppose in yes standard ticket plus lunch, it is private transfer, included private transfer. You can just if you want to change the transfer type, you click on the activity, and you can see that there are n number of options also, and you can see that you can just click on sharing so that the price is updated and just add it. Done. So now you can see the price has been decreased and also it's now sharing transfer. It's very simple to add activities, change, modify the activities, whatever your customer wants. And in this way, you can customize all the activities, whatever you want, in day-wise and timely manner. And you can also add meals. Suppose your client wants to do this meals. Uh, suppose he wants to have lunch on this day, you can definitely have lunch. Just click veg or non-veg by this toggle button and add it. It is easily added. You can see the price in the meal section, it's added over there. So it's very easy to add meals, etc., for every single day. And in the meantime, these flights, we'll see the flights are already loaded. See, you can see that from Bombay to Abu Dhabi, and it's not to Dubai. So because your client is landing in Abu Dhabi first, he is spending 2 nights of a stay over there and then moving to Dubai. So that is the reason we have got this multiple sector flights, like from Bombay to Abu Dhabi and from Dubai to Bombay. And you can change flights. We got a number of options with various filters. You can always play with them and get the best for your client. In a similar way, you can change the hotels for Abu Dhabi and Dubai hotels. We already got the hotels. You can see that there is change button. You can see a number of hotels. You can see whatever you want based on the TripAdvisor reviews. We have TripAdvisor reviews for 90% plus hotels listed on a platform. You can just click on it and see whatever the room category you want. Just click on add. So it is easily added. So this way you can easily customize all the packages for any destination and just click on save. So at the backend we will be processing and we will be saving your package. You can see the package is already saved, and you can see that the quoted price is 1,20,965 and the net price is 1,10,117 and the profit is 10,848. So, so you can see that 8660, the package ID 8660, the Word document is already loaded. The itinerary is Word document is loaded, and you can also load it multiple times by clicking on download. You can see download document format or PDF format of the itinerary. You can click on PDF format to see the PDF. So the itinerary has been loaded. You can see your logo over here, your address, and all your details, etc. Everything, all the components of the itinerary is beautifully stitched with TraToLi.com. Within less than 5 minutes, you can customize and personalize any itinerary of your client's choice. So probably you might be having a doubt, so how to save these packages on your customer names, because you will be having multiple packages and multiple customers. You can easily change whatever you want. Suppose your customer name is Satish, just put Satish and submit. So the package name is saved. Whenever you want, you can search for Satish here. This package will be appear. So now you might be having this question: how to add your company profile, your company logo, your company address, etc. So in this page only, you can see company profile section here. Just go to company profile and add your company name, established year, website, company email, company address, company phone number, and just click on change image. You will see the images. You select the image and click on submit. So everything is. I'll change the logo for now. So you can see this is the poster. It is for TraToLi Sate. I'll change the logo to this. Open. So now this is changed. If I click on submit, the company profile is updated. Okay. So in this way, you can change whatever logo your company has, your company credentials, etc. Everything, and click on submit. Everything is entered in our database. And how to add agent markup. So just click on this agent markup just below the company profile. You can see the different components. For different components, you can add the margins like hotels, transfers, flights, activities, everything, and just click on submit. And once you add your markup, so then on, whenever you create a package, all the packages are shown in a markup way. That is, suppose my net price is 100 rupees and you add 10% markup, the price is shown on the website as 110 rupees. And after saving the package, you will be seeing your quoted price, that is the price which the customer sees, and net price, whatever you pay to TraToLi.com, and this is your profit here. And all the prices on TraToLi.com are inclusive of GST, so don't worry about all these things. All the prices which are shown are inclusive of GST. So by this way, TraToLi.com helps you to easily customize itineraries for any destination in real time with real time inventory in less than 5 minutes. So TraToLi.com helps you to save a lot on your operational cost and you just focus on sales. Thank you for onboarding to TraToLi.com.